have Isaiah with us. So we got some chicken sandwich, fries, juice from Chick-Fil-A. We got some kids meal chicken nuggets for Isaiah and Hannah. So we gotta eat and talk.
So we went to Orlando the other day for 4 days.
It was so fun. Yeah. What did y'all do in Orlando?
So we just, guys, it was fun. So we went to water park. I think it was on Saturday. We went to a water park. Yeah, no, it was Sunday. No, it was Saturday. So we went to SeaWorld. So wait. Friday, we went to the pool. So much fun. I swam and
Sorry guys if you hear the machine and all these background noises.
Yeah. Okay, so we went to the pool on Friday because Thursday when we got there, we went to go to the pool, but then we didn't have no time because it was already nighttime, so we couldn't go to the pool at nighttime. So when we got there, we took a shower, we put our clothes on, we watched some TV and stuff like that. And then
if you guys want to hear about the resort that we stay at, we're gonna leave it below so you guys can check it out in the description box.
So what we did? So we woke up in the morning, got ready for breakfast because we had to go to this breakfast thing because they didn't have food for us in the fridge or anything. So we had to go to this breakfast thing.
Well, hotels don't come with foods in the fridge. We
have to buy it.
But we actually got like a suite, so we have to buy.
We had to go to a free thing. We had free food. And like egg, sausage, potatoes, and a honey bun, but jar.
It wasn't like free food. We paid for it. It's in the hotel. It give you free breakfast. So I wouldn't say it was free. Yeah. So tell us what, tell them what you did
at aquatic park. So the aquatic park, we went on these rides. It's like there's like 2 seats. There's one. We went to see aquatic. Hang on. And we're talking about aquatic park right now.
Yeah, we're talking about aquatic park. Don't mind their hair, I'm going to do their hair in a minute so that they can go back to school tomorrow. No, we just got after the little road. We went to Chick-Fil-A and run errands.
So at the park, we went on these like rides, there's like water rides. There's like water in there, you can swim. So there was like 2 seats. There was like floaty, but there's like 2 seats. One for somebody and one for the replica. So me and Hannah had to share. The boys share. My mom, I don't know where she was.
I was enjoying the relaxation.
So we went around. We kept going around and around for a little bit because we went to find the boys, me and Hannah. Because me and Hannah were together. Hannah was kind of a bit scared, but not at the same time. She's scared.
Oh, you remember the circular thing? You know the floaties. They went
at SeaWorld?
Yeah.
It was scary.
So it wasn't scary. It was fun.
No, I'm gonna talk about SeaWorld.
Hold on. Let me make sure this is on target. Okay, make sure I can see the screen. So I couldn't see the screen before. But yeah.
So now let's talk about SeaWorld. SeaWorld was so fun. Yeah. Okay, let me tell you about my last ride I did. So it was like a huge ride, but it was so scary for me. Like it took us up, right? And then just took us down. so bad, and it felt like he was falling off the ride. I'm so serious, man.
Like,
It was so scary.
like, this is their first time there and the first time on rides. Like some of them couldn't go on rides before.
Like Hannah.
And
So
she was sad.
I'll tell you why. Okay. So I didn't go on a ride. I was very sad. So then my mom told me, it's okay. You'll grow up and you'll get to go that way. And I was like, okay. But she started to cry.
She cried because she couldn't go and have fun with all the other kids who
So we
were
went
big
in the
enough.
store and I asked her for drinks. And after that, no, she didn't give me a drink.
I am. Just stop it. Before I have to edit you.
Because my mom was drinking my phone. I was
No, I'm gonna edit this one. Talking about.
I'm like, don't do myself. But anyways,
We had that. That's all. And I got the rest I needed.
well, we're sorry that we didn't record because
We did record some. So
some stuff. So
we'll show you some stuff that we have. But we'll have a lot of pictures on my Instagram.
go check it out.
And I think she did some TikTok while she was there, but
Yeah, well, I
not
did.
too much. So check out her TikTok. Check out my Instagram, which is Ruthielifestyle. And hit us a like in the comments.
If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell.
Yes. Hit that bell.
Better hit that bell. But
Support us and let us know that we should keep making videos, okay?
Alright, and also guys, I want you guys to do something. I want you guys to just use your toe and like this video.
If you like Chick-Fil-A, like this video.
And also use your toe if you like it. Try to use your toe.
If you like Disney and Universal, SeaWorld, like this video.
We might go to Disney.
You guys should go to Universal anyways. You know why? It's beautiful and very relaxing when you go to SeaWorld. To see the dolphins, you know?
Yeah, we had so much fun at SeaWorld. I'll be right back, guys.
Where are you going? Don't worry, you can leave it here. If you want to throw it away, give it to me. I have to throw it.
Okay.
So, Hannah, you're not talking. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe. And
Say bye, guys.
check out my TikTok.
Say bye, guys.
Say bye. Bye bye.
Bye,
Say bye to the camera.
The camera. Say bye, Isaiah. Bye bye. Say bye again. Say bye. Bye to the camera.
Bye to the camera.
Bye to the camera.
He sometimes talks it up this day. So
He just said bye to the camera. Bye to the camera. Okay.
So bye guys.
I hope you. Oh, tell us down below. Yeah, that's the other thing I want you guys to do. Tell us down below. What did you guys do on your spring break?
Oh yeah.
And how do you feel? Are you ready to work? What do you do? Tell me. Let me know. I like to comment. I like to correspond with you guys. Let me know what you did. Maybe we'll do it next year. Let me know. Bye, guys.
And go check out my mom. It's the woman. She's on mine. I'll put it down
I
and
don't talk about the food anymore.
I'll put it down in the description down below.
We're gonna finish eating now, so later.
Bye y'all.
Sit down, Isaiah. Wait. Sit down. Okay, Isaiah wants to get up. Bye.